itolo zozingena ziyasitshela ukuthi wena uzile uyajika. And then mangisase school ngikulanda ngale mqondo le ukuthi ukubambise my sister nan vele wa cooperate mhlambe mase sambile 5 nyana 6 nyana itep zokukhomba iphone vele lazo vele iphoyisa ngelisami ngenhliziyo yami yonke iphelele school angifuna ukutshela amanga bra wami next shuthi what I saw ngamehlo wami zenziwa amaphoyisa bese ngizibuza ukuthi mina mele ngithobelele umuntu oyenza kanje osuka emzini wakhe ngegown ezone alayishe nomntana omncane azothatha itshoni. Ama-drugs, they are very dangerous. They almost destroyed my life. I lost my sister wamazange imngcwabe ngisestradini. My sister wamunye washata. Mina yimi kuphela umjide ekhaya bekumele ngabe yimi ngamthatha ngamkhapha lapha. I was not there. I missed a lot. It's very sad because vele siyablameka thina sinkawuzayo. Mara amadula sikuthenga bona labantu emphakathini. Mina benginkawuza amadula sinantshontshile kuphi bekuthenga bona labo mama laba abakhulumayo abagcoka amajoint la emphakathini.
Eyo guess what? Laba sobise uthi ambulala vele.
Things ama-speculating somakhosha now.
Leyo bengifuna Joe, we leave no stone unturned.
Nani but mangisase clean haya sibambi 99 vele sishanga ispeakele vele kahle kamnandi vele.
Umuntu manje nimspota kanjani ukuthi lo ulahlile lo akalahle?
Umuntu ongajwayela ngedropini bro uyambona yabo umuntu ozayo edropini nomuntu ohlala edropini bahlukile kakhulu. Umuntu ozayo edropini ajike noma hamba steps akhe town uyambona ukuthi hayi lo akusiwa la town vele uzothenga ajike vele. And then umuntu wase town nakho town mawuhamba phansi town mawungajwayelanga you can never say even ukuthi amaflatini lapha kuhlala abantu nani wena ubona itolo lapha phansi iview yakho leona ikhompito labo Bradlos kuphela nani so umuntu ephuma lapha eflatini steps akhe asifani nomuntu ohlike eTexini
like body language
isiyatshela vele ukuthi I'm not comfortable yabona maybe ngizele nje practical example eJozi akusino noma upublic phone avule wallet kanje afone vele akhipha imali nani yes but mina ngidlela eJozi isikhathi ayisomusa ukuthi lento ndiyo abantu bayenza musi la endleleni kanti yes mina ngisabani mina kanti ngoba nami musi ngifana nabo labantu labo yes so kancane vele ugcina uketch up that mentality vele ubone. And then before sivala esestradini kubhlungu because umuntu makahlala esestradini we think uyothandayo yabo
no sengisho lo umsporta sicedele
yokusporta vele sokubona ngemthwalo sokubona itolo zozingena ziyasitshela ukuthi wena uzile uyajika. And then mangisase school ngikulanda ngale mqondo le ukuthi ukubambise my sister nani vele wa cooperate mhlambe mase sambile 5 nyana 6 nyana itep zokukhomba iphone vele la kahle vele grand change ngajump vele sizohamba lento ngizoyenza kubona mina nayo kuphela vele yes ngizokukhomba iphone maybe ngikhombe nabanye abazimele lapha vele ngitshela ukuthi nalaba ngivana nabo ungacala uthenze in vele angisiwa nje ngoba ngila ngifuna in nani la kuwe vele uzunginikeze wena kahle grand ngize ngukhakhe sivalelisane kahle grand vele
shit
yes vale vele umuntu odlulayo la nokuthi bambane inkunzi can never tell yes lezi vele zokuthi ngizoku approach yawuthami thina uvanjani ngani nje ngikutshela istories eziningi ongazazi yes network cooperator the minute cooperator ikhombi iphone vele
baba
yes ngiyakutshela ukuthi yabo program sespanini phela mina ungayenzi yes leso sikhathi siyacoca vele kahle grand ngeyiphone ibone uwe kuphela nokuthi amampela akusiya amampela awazi nokwazi vele ngikukhomba idununyana esinye
uyasho ukuthi ufuna ifoni
yes ngiyakutshela vele ukuthi ungangijampiseli asambe kahle athi ngifonela umzala nakudlula abantu vele ngiyakutshela ukuthi ngifonela umzala lapho ke sipatshele vele siyama ngathi senza ifone call yes mara mayicede ukwenza ifone call iyongena kimi epokotweni vele ifone yakhona yes ne-wallet izovula ngizothatha engikufunayo ngaphakathi kwe-wallet ngeke ngithathe yonke into ukuthi umuntu ajambe yes uthathe engikufunayo ngokunike grand kube ngathi uyangipha ngizokuvalelisa grand noma lapha ngizokutshela ukuthi ubakhruntele ntwana ungakhohlwa ukutshela uankele ukuthi inani lapho vele yakuthola yes and then makume street vele khona lapho somari ngivala netex vele ngikhomba phezulu khona lapho ngene etexini khona lapho yes wena na usasala ukhano uthi uyamemeza ukuthi yebeka ngibamba inkunzi bayakumangalela abantu ukuthi mara sinibone ngicoca musikahle grand ngaze ngikhombe wena ukuthi miss itex vele ngimisele uyitex sikubonile uzomisela netaxi musinani ungazosikhohlisa lana. So edrobheni that's how they work ke laba ba clean vele sibeza kahle clean sweet vele ungathanda ukusiza abantu kakhulu edrobheni
ukuthi usizwe
ukusiza nokusizwa ungathanda edrobheni bambela abantu ungathanda ukuthi wena uyabambela abantu amabhegi ungathanda ukuthi uyabambisa abantu amabhegi wena edrobheni or wena ufuna ukubanjelwa no
kahle akumelanga ube nenhliziyo enhle pressure
yes mawunenhliziyo enhle uba itarget mawunenhliziyo enhle uba itarget vele 100% vele uba itarget
bengizomunye athi ngisho even nezalukazi namakhehla yaspina
futhi kabuhlungu ke manje labo ngoba baspina phezulu kwabantwana laba abancane bathunyiwe emadrobheni vele bakushanga lo mcondo lokuthi bamthume komunye umuntu bathi shiya in la wena uphetheni la sukuthembi wena yes
intaphe kumagogo
yes uyaphethe kumagogo nawuthi uyadlula kubizwa mntanami nangu sisilapha kunini mela thathe nayo imali yakhe nawuthi uyabheka ngaphakathi kole envelope akunika yona lapha maybe ma100 nyana lapha i7 ayingakhi ma fake nokuba ma fake yakutshela nangu sisilapha usiswa khona mhlawumbe uyakuyivela vele naye yagijima mfana omniki nokuthi ushathi step uthi uyahamba uyamnika hayi wena ngithemba uzobaleka nale mali yami uphetheni so yabuya vele nawe unale conscious ukuthi umuntu omdala uyangithuma yes mele ngimsize fast hayi ngiphethe phone ma already ngiphethe inini ma already usiya nomthwalo wakho la phambi kwakhe vele immediately ujike ubheka le awusambona lo yama sister yakho wena uthi ujike ubheka le nayo lo gogo lo yakuthumile awusambona so seluyiwani isikhaleni vele lapho so ucakekile umthwalo bebakuthume wona ubozithengela wona usekho vele everything so ungathanda ukuthi wena ufuna ukusiza abantu edrobheni more especially umuntu othina ubuye kasi kanje yes yekela abantu basemadrobheni bayenza into zabo bazone babodwa don't involve yourself there kulento lezi ezifana nalezo I saw one of your shows one day interview umunye usisi baduthembi akhe wabosha athi ungasiza abantu ukudonsa even ama luggage ema airport because you don't luggage yomuntu kanti umuntu uthwele into zakhe ngada yes vele makuvela amaphoyisa yakho yes noma singahamba la ngaphandle wena ugugu umthwalo wami makuvela amaphoyisa le ekuposition yakhe
angikwazi
yes if bayithola in a position is yours it's in your position so sekumele uyimele yona so ukuthi wena ulungile uyasiza nani be careful vele be very careful
ngoba niploma estradi akwenzeki mhlambe kufika amajita abanalokuthi ngoba nestradi nasicava emfethu ngifuna inamba yara enhle kulapha kahle kuhambani or bakucela ukuthi sicela ustrayzele lapha kulela pose
ngoba yes vele kusetshenzwa kanjalo vele kusetshenzwa nabo laba bayenza ama crime serious mohlala estradini yabo na upakisa imoto nabafuna imoto bazokutshela vele ukuthi intwana sifuna imoto kanje vele or bazofika ngalelanga first time ngibabona bafika vele mina bayifunayo ikhona ngipakisile vele Sunnyside esibazofika bakutshela intwana lesi vele lapha bakubuza bayakutshela esikuthi lesi ayithatha mfana semzini nani bakholela futhi same time namhla ushayisile mfana hamba uhlala phansi bazokugala lo stino le in one time umunye umjito wazongipha namakhavela ngiyala ngayo imoto yakhona abathi bangigaya 200 but bakukhuthuza bathi antwana sine two clipper in seyaduma mina sengimenuva wayo
just ayindawo
yes ngiyasho ngithi mina ngiyamemeza James vele lo mjito umunye wazokhumula namakhavela bathi bamba sontwana bashaya imoto so mabafuna imoto abantu abashaya imoto ke ngene lapho kancane the first people abazoza kibo vele ithi sipakisa imoto vele sithi sipakisa imoto they know very well ukuthi ngeke bayenze next lapha mina bangakatshelanga mina ngizoshaya ipempe mina njengoba ngilapha vele territory yami ukuthi ngidla lapho so you cannot come uzodla lapho ungakadlulanga kimi wabulisi so nizosebenza bazoshaka yona ishayeka 2 maybe nababona ukuthi ngathi uyaqualify kibo uzogcina so ipartner bazogcina bakuthengela nepopotana nyana vele yes so uzimaketha nayo ke manje nawuyifuna lento bayifuna uyibona lento bayifunayo la town so khona nokubashanga phone call vele ukuthi ayistradini sikanje emergency khamba 1212 it's said ngoba vele baningi nalabo baphula itolo nani nasilala lapha phambi kwesitolo bayeza vele nabo bazolala la ngathi amahobo bona balele namathuluzi wabo la nani yonke into vele immediately icala kuthula ukuthi do vele nobunine first time ngibona into njalo ngisezwe ngealarm vele thina ukuthi kunabantu abaphuma esitolo nje thina silele shit bashaya umtiya kanje wena uyotshela ukuthi kulele ngaphakathi kanti kuyaphuliwa izingidi la ngaphakathi especially Rolado nje le yavulwa nje kancane ingubo le bracketile kahle Rolado le yavulwa kancane kuyaslide la ngaphansi kweRolado lo hlela iposini ubamba iposo brand urelaxile thina sibona umuntu olele kanti ngaphakathi dala kunabantu bayasebenza yes thina sizwe ngabo alarm masikuphuma ukuthi madoda thina kahlile silele la abantu bayasebenza ngaphakathi.
That's why I should think to eJozi kuyasheshwa correct.
Hayi Jozi Brown
Amagata kuyaspanisana nawo.
eJozi Brown I futhi let me say akunagata kahle ima experience yami ne. Hayi experience yami Brown ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi manje ngaba nenkinga kakhulu mabangathi iphoyisa mele lizongibopha because of the corruption engiyibonile emagatini. This gata liyayithatha ijojo Brown neyama coin uzokubuza ukuthi uphethe malini uthi ukuthi uzakuphuma i400 letha
namanga
Brown shithi igata indlela engasazi angilisabi ngenhliziyo yami yonke Brown boys vele boys angilisabi ngenhliziyo yami yonke iphelele skun angifuna ukutshela amanga Brown next shithi what I saw ngamehlo wami zenziwa amaphoyisa bese ngizibuza ukuthi mina mele ngithobele lo muntu oyenza kanje osuke emzini wakhe ngegown yezone alayishe nomntana omncane azothatha ijojo azothatha imali yejojo ematraxini angeke esipanini yes and then mina mangibhena into zami la street makuvela ivene ehamba ngalo muntu mina masrun I must run
angeke
hayi vele I don't run vele mangibona noma ngiphethe ama-drugs kanjani vele ngibona amaphoyisa I don't run because bayafika ugijima ubaleke agijimisa kubamba kutshela futhi kubalekela nazi ukuthi angeke ngikubopha wona next wena uthenge kubani umkhomba ukuthi ngithenge kubani sekakufakile ama-handcuff lapha ngiyamponta umuntu athenge kuye afika amthathele le mali amthathele ama-drugs anginike la ma-drugs
unamanga
kaningi Brown bangivusa bakuvusulele manje estradini amaphoyisa bakuvusulele bakubuza ukuthi ubani uSineyman omusha esingayomshaya namhlanje yesingakamshaya
bafuna ekhaya.
Yes vele aboSineyman abasha bazokutshela abamanager ukuthi vele ngeke ube uSineyman uthengisa ungakaboshwa kayi1 kayi2 uthengisela ukuthi ukhipha ijojo and then thina ngisho yithi sithengayo every day yithi sazi ukuthi lo musha
uyavayisa bese kini bese niyabapoint
yes mina bangivusa izingubo estraight vele bangaze bangivuse bangiphatheleni into okubhema before siya lapho ucala ngihlale phansi ngibheme mangicela ukubhema bangithathe bangifaka ama-handcuff bangifaka evenini
uyazi nje ukuthi hayi
yes or bangicala before bangigayelele joko lelo futhi ukuthi hambothenga lapha vele kulo mfana wakho uthi musha hambothenga bathathele imali bayishude vele grand cha bashaya isithombe vele ngefoni cha mina ngivaya ngifike ngithenge ngayo la angibuya sebangikhafile vele grand ngiyapointa ngithi akaqala ukuphika vele ngikhiphele lesithombe la efonini vele bathe yona muslimali angisho yibona naye musnayide imali yabo le serial number le bashuda le serial number yes bamkhombeni bamfaki nabaqeda umfake vele ngicabanga ukuthi bazombopha bamtshela straight ukuthi call your boss. So straight sometime bamtshela ukuthi call your boss is nabaceda bamtshela uboss ukuthi boss mfana wakho nangisimbambile la evenini uyazi hlangana kuphi nani phela before kushaya afternoon uzombona umjito khona lo bekaboshiwa thengisa ama-drugs nangisekabuyini uyathengisa ke manje ligadi sekane license sekaqotshoziwe manje ke akasasabasabi noma kuvela iveni akasabalika akasayenzi next vele sekaqotshoziwe manje sekayazi ukuthi angibona iveni mele ngibashaye nge-50 vele yes mangibona iveni angisabaliki manje ngibagaya imali yamanzi ngibagaya imali yekhuli ngibagaya imali e-airtime vele I don't know ukuthi abahola amagata or kanjani Brown because ayenzakala endaweni e1 kuphela la
mhlambe ukujwayela sekuyisystem bona amagata basipana ngayo ukuthi if maybe awuyithuni riding uzibona ngathi uyibhara
yes khona kuna angazi asesha ngazi ukuthi ngichaze kanjani
ngoba bayahola ukhola so ukuthi mhlambe ngoba ubani izolo ufikile wathi wena 2000 estradini
bayiphatha mfethu labantu laba le mali ejojo lamagata yabona imoto ineCampion musla yes now baqeda ukuyithatha lapha abayibali same time balahlela lapha kuCampion awungathuka same time ubone bavulele yaCampion ne athuka same day ngibona ngasho ukuthi labo baba laba shuthi bahamba zonke le ndawo lezi babhizi bacollecta la 50 nama 100 nje bavele bathi bese shuthi intambama nabayishayisa I believe bayakhipha lapha bashaya checking yabo ukuthi namhlanje siyenze emalini so mawubona lento eyifana nalezo vele ngavele ngabona kahle ukuthi ukuthi bathi ngisakuphoyisa
manje nabo kanti labo sinemana abakhathala or babatshela ukuthi not izolo sekunikile or phambi kwayizolo sekunikile
angisho ngiyakutshela ukuthi alinandaba nalingafika namhlanje baninike leyo 10 rand liyayithatha nabatshela ukuthi asina for call bro namhlanje uzabuya kusasa labo bani sebadlulile baqede konke yona uza abapheli moya yes uyahamba kusasa uzabuya vele i-life kahle le ema-drugsini vele ukuthi amaphoyisa abosinemani yithi ababhemi yes because sometimes akafikile athole mina kuyimi kwaSinemani nangithi ngiyaphuma ngintshela ukuthi enayiveni imile bra wami lapha egate vele uyinika mina la esandleni imali yakhona ukuthi awubakhaye lapha yes mina nokungcola kwami ngihambe ngifike lapha ngithi bathi nginkaye lapho vele bayithathe kahle krem bashaya imoto baphume kaye bapha
yo so manje because ngiyabona ukuthi indaba zibhaya. Sorry guys, into shaya isikhathi. So now sizoyivala indaba yaseJozi and we're going to talk about what is he on about now, because that's also something that we need to touch on because it's really serious and more educational. So iJozi sayibona ukuthi uphilile Jozi kwabanjani. So yini into esekudecide ukuthi angibuye edladleni manje sengikhathele iJozi.
Yes, njengoba ngichazile ukuthi bengiyohlola ukuthi iCovid ayibulalanga yabo. Decide kwami vele ukuthi ngiyekhaya awuthi uyadlula bekuyi lockdown vele mawuthi uyadlula yabona musi edrobheni la kuthengiswa khona ama TV wathola bawaplugile la ayadlala musi. Yes konje bengiyohlola edladleni and then I decided to stay yabo. And then kule 18 years empeme yona dala ngiloko ngizama ke ukuyekela yabo. You cannot smoke 3 years ungakafuna ngokuyekela. Yes. Dala ngiloko ngizama jikeza nese-rehab unyana nokuboshwa sebengisenke ngaboshwa. Then this time nami ngazitshela ukuthi ayazi namhlanje khe ngiyolala edladleni ngayo kahle nangitshela ama-out eJimmiston bengiseJimmiston mangisuka ngibuye edladleni ngabatshela ukuthi agents mina namhlanje ngiyolala phezulu umbhede wami vele ngayo khumbula umbhede wami dinele indaba zama-box lezi nani I got the courage vele ngahlanganisa namaseni ngagibela. And then njengoba ngichazile mase ngizibona ukuthi ngathi ngiba ngcononyana bengihlala eMloto ke ekudladleni seMloto manje I went to Mloto primary school ngazichaza ku principal wakhona vele ukuthi mina ngiphume ema-drugsini mfethu no cela ukukhuluma nale ntwana ezincane. Principal vele wa-organize abantwana ngakhuluma nabantwana and then I got ama responses from kulabantwana yabo. Yes vele bangitshele malume mina malume this malume ngiphem. So I saw the need yabo ukuthi amusi lento engiyenzayo iyafunakala yabo. I vele ngaqala ukuyihlalela phansi. I started looking ukuthi abantu abayenza lento formally bayenza kanjani nami ngaqala ukuzibhidla ngazi establisha nami njengomuntu ozosiza abantu abaseyidakamizweni njengoba nginale experience yaseyidakamizweni. And then ihambile lento yahamba and njengoba sengilayiphola manje kwaba ne-event layiphola ngapha kaPastor Mkhuba bebayenzele wona ama-out abhemayo. Ngabona ipost mina ngilevele kami. I decided to let me come ngizosupport ama-out ngapha yabo. And then lapho ngahlangana nomunye ulady bathi umama uMngomezulu ngathi uye bekasupportile lapho ukuthi ama-agents akhona ukudla nani. And then ukufika kwami lapha bangiphi i-platform. I was not on the program ngalapho kule event yakhona just bengizile nje but bathi abangibona bangiphi i-platform kancane ukuthi njengomuntu ophuma ema-drugsini lento siyenzela ama-drugs sicela usharele something nyana. And then ngathi angiqeda ukushare lapho saqala ukukhuluma naloma ulady bekasupporte lapho ukuthi ama-agents adle. Yangitshela ukuthi dala azama ukusiza ama-out asema-drugsini but ngoba kaze nakanalwazi uyafuna ukuthi ngathi angathola umuntu ofana nami kanje sisebenzisane kahle sikhona ukusiza ama-out. And then I think we had 4 meetings before sizocala lento lesiyenzayo because bengiloko ngize meetingini ngijike ngibuyelele kimi then sihlale sibe ne-meeting via ngijike ngibuyelele kimi up until i-meeting yes4 we decided ukuthi manje we are implementing. And then manje we have a program currently that we are calling Phola Mdoko Uyashisa Nutritional Program. Yes, okuyi-program la siphakela khona ama-out umdoko Monday, Wednesday and Fridays. Inhloso yokuthi sifuna abasondele babe seduzane so that sizokwazi ukucoca. Kuyo lo program sibambisene neShabonga Cleaning Services ekuyiyo esisponsayo esithengele imidoko nama cosmetic nani ukuthi ama-agents abe right. And then sibambisene nePolar Logistics Association ekuyiba basiphi office lapha eNzansi ukuthi sisebenzele ngaphakathi kwabe office because basibona ukuthi siyasebenza senzela lapha eStratini siphakelana umdoko lapha eStratini nani and then nathi saba approach and then basiza vele basiphi indawo ngaphakathi ukuthi sisebenzele khona and then isibambisene neMan of Truth futhi and then isibambisene nobukhosi bakasogusha nabo ngiyacabanga ekudala buyilwa into yama substance vele so iyakhula kakhulu currently from last week sesibambisene nePolar SAPS futhi station commander sekayasivakashela each and every Monday to encourage amajita and then to also teach amajita kahle kahle ukuthi bangavumeli ukusebenziseka emphakathini because bona bayabhema because labantu abayenza ama crime serious bayasebenzisa amajita and then mase izinto zijumpa station command uthi sokuthi labantu labo sebamelele ekudeni bona indaba ingena amajita yiba bakhawathekayo kuphela yabo. So it's a program that is really going because as I speak sinama outside 3 manje who are counting days, no one who is counting inyanga and days. Yes. Yeah. And then sine 2 enye I think omunye is counting 8 days, omunye is counting 7 days.
Yeah, because ngibonile uPastor Mkhuba aposte ukududuza ngathi indirect method or methadone.
Yes, so sikhona akhona ama out ayaziyekela freestyle vela amanye mabakhona ukuyeka bayashutha lento esiyenzayo ngaphandle ukuthi bayekela ama drugs but emcondweni bayakhula bayakhona ukuthi bazibone ukuthi nabo basase abantu they still fit into the community because into dangerous kakhulu ka addiction is the stigma. Yes, masopema vele you no longer take yourself as umuntu. Yes,
ilunga lomphakathi.
Yes, thola ukuthi noma ngigula makumele ngiye clinic nje yabona ngikwenzele example ngento simple njani but just indlela bazongibheka ngayo lapha eclinic leyo ngingakhona izongenza ukuthi ngingabekezeli ngeze ngicine ngithole ne treatment ne medication yami. It's a challenge enesibhekene nayo ku program njengoba ngichazile ukuthi nami ngikhe ngajova 90% yama out abajovayo the HIV positive because of ukuleka nama syringe.
Yeah, and I also forgot to ask about that but let's qhubeke ngizokubuza
masicede. And then is difficult mhlambe esizama ukuthi sidile ngabo manje ngoba senza lama program afana nalawa uthi let us teach one another and then ama-agents now njengoba bhema kanje but let us protect them bazoyekela ama-drugs one day bathola ukuthi ama-disease nani sebabakhawathile aloko ama-clinic akhona they cannot attend because of the stigma. So ngiyazicelela emphakathini mina ukuthi we don't call them names, asibabizi ngabonyawupesi, asibabizi ngamaphara, asibabizi ngeyibungu, asibabizi ngawo wonke lamagama lawa abuhlungu. I-HIV it killed a lot of people because of the stigma, not because of the actual disease itself. So addiction is also doing the same thing. It's killing amajita because of the stigma kakhulu. Yes, sabonga ne-SAPS bengisakutshela nge-nutritional program esinayo esibiza iPolar Mdoko Yashisa nutritional program. Sinama out cishe manje sinama out I can say bayadlula ku-30 mabazile baphelela bonke but I can say manje sinama regular adlula ku-15 that are regular attending the program. Almost still under 2 months sirana le program. Nje ngisale ngithatha lethuba ngema nabanye abakhona le ngaphandle ama-out kasi ePolar yesenzwile vele ukuthi leNzansi sidlinde engane Monday, Wednesday na Friday. Asidli into engane kuphela ayibalekanga into engane asisho ukuthi emakhaya niyahlupheka uzani nizodla lapha kithi umdoko but sisondelane eduze so that we can be able to see ukuthi is-assistana kanjani more especially endabeni addiction. Ngichazile ukuthi sinama social worker esikhona ukuthi indoda si-referele kiyo kube yiba bathathe bayichubekisela phambili bayibhukhele izindaba zama-rehab nani. Kuyo nje indaba yokurehabilitateka yabo thi ngifundise kancane
light fake plug lapha leli violent of charge. Sure, yeah.
Yes, ngifundise nje kancane kubo mama, you don't just pay imali what decide uyi-1 wena ngumzali ukuthi hey uyabhema lona ngiyamthatha ngimikise rehab why decide uyi-1 lento le. Yes, I've seen it ukuthi ayipha ama results vele laba abadecide kanjalo bamlayisha emotweni noma bangaze babhadale 100,000 but the very first day yaphuma fika la ngaphandle cala phansi vele yabo. Yes, so i-communication I can say ngalento engiyenza lapha I've learned ukuthi the more we communicate and then openly amajita they get the courage ukuthi bona basidecide ukuthi hayi lento ukuthi nginkawuze nani is no longer good for me. So I want to challenge mina umphakathi nje wonke sophelele ngokuphelela kwa ukuthi nani come and participate. I thank you very much ukuthi la social media I do get ama comment nama response nani even some family members wama out enginabo lapha manje izolo ngibuya khabo umjito yo1 communicate because babona ama poster enzakalayo and then they call me endlini. So singagcini ngocommunicate la asifele siba encourage even personally so because mangibakhomba la ma comment wenu ebawabonayo mababona ukuthi lento le ivela ikhulunywa umuntu wasekhaya. Yes, bacala ukuzibona ngenye indlela because masoku addiction full blown vele njengoba ngishilo ukuthi you give up total out vele utshela ukuthi ayazini mina shuthi uNkulunkulu yilife angikhethele yona le bangithatha ngakhona so nami ngizophila kanje but masizama ukuthi siphothele ubuhlenyana empilweni zabo nabo bacala ukuzibona bazikhumbula ukuthi hayi musikahle kahle la sikhona is not where we should be. So ngiyayikhipha nje inselele kakhulu emphakathini ukuthi this program lesiranayo is not our own program, it's not my program. Akusi program yeshabongo or akusi program yakasogusha but the program yomphakathi wonke sophelele as a whole. Whether you are affected, whether you are bema or awubhemi ama substance or inyawupe, let me put it straight nje. What you must know ukuthi you are affected nakanjani because statistically ubhema komuntu oyi-1 it affects 10 families.
Showcase, yeah.
Yes, shuthi estradini sakho wena manje njengoba ngikhuluma kanje angabe kunomjito oyi-1 obhemayo you must know ukuthi 10 families they are affected. Yes, mangabe bayi2 amajita ababhemayo
20,
mangabe bayi10
strat sonke.
Yes, so one way or another vele we are all affected.
Manje ku-hiring le program yeni nichunayo niyakhona ukuthi mhlambe nangabo umjita nambona seka grand kunama first step enothathayo ukuthi mhlambe mela thola isipani because at the end of the day abanye mangibeza but babuyelisa ukubhoreke kasi because umuntu uyayeka akasazi ukuthi kumele enze ini agcina decide ukubuyela via because nabangani abasha kuba nzima ukuthi abe nabo. So since wena usipana nabantu abatop aba-prominent, do you have ukuthi mabaceda amajita kuba nesipani nyane basitholayo?
Yes, umjita makasika right clean sharp fresh sesibona there are opportunities. Mina personal I cannot say I do have umsebenzi for bona but I do have doors la ngikhona kuba bamba ngesandla khona ngihambe ngiyokokota ngisho ukuthi umjita mina ngichube na isikhathi singaka right manje umjita mani nomsebenzi ngicela ukuthi nimncingise vele. Yes, bakhona abantu abafana nalabo engisebenzisana nabo nje manga ngiyenzele example khona umjita omunye bathi uKheni wakasiluma uSpanish abonga CV cleaning services i-recovering addict vele naye akatholanga ile program yami but naye uze kushabonga cleaning services through izinto ezifana nalezi. So we do have abantu abafana nalabo basivakashelayo lapho basho ukuthi thina sikhona sizothathisa ama license, thina sikhona sizodevelopisa ama skills. They do come there bazi-introduce basishare ama phone number wabo ukuthi mangabe umjita siyambona ukuthi seka right thina mina umsebenzi wami is to link amajita nalabantu labo mina umsebenzi engiyenzayo kakhulu.
Sure, because that's thing kuze umention ukuthi wena boso ujova nokujova. So suke kwenzakalani ugcine so ujova ungasayibhemi ngendlela oyibhema ngayo before?
Saboshwa yabo mohlala edrobheni almost weekly or every fortnight kunama random search wasedrobheni ayenziwa amaphoyisa vele ukuthi bakuthola after 8 vele ungazazi ukuthi wenzani endleleni bakubopha ukukhipha mandi. Yes, ngaboshwa ngalawo ma-operation lawo fana nalawo. Ngaboshwa nginama drugs yabo but nginganansango yokumixa nama rizla okubopha nani and then i-out bengiboshwe nazo bezijova yabo. Yes, phetha ama injection wabo vele bona grand vele asifika le phakathi vele ba busy bona bazidubula vele bayabhema mina sengiyakhawatheka ngishaya ama down manje sengiyabhayiziseka yabo. And then bebayiphethe injection entsha by that day yabo vele bebaspina mawuse drop ke their programs ukuthi ama injection ayaphakwa every week vele yabo.
So they know ukuthi nabhema baniphakisa
ama injection. Yes, ama injections ayaphaka drop in, they even pay ukuthi uzophaka ama injection, and it's all because of the awareness that they are making. Abafika bakunikeza ama injection kuphela and you go. No, but bayakunika injection and then they teach you how to use injection. Yes, uyafundiswa vele kahle straight ukuthi akunemsipho ongayijovi la kunanani injection asisebenzisi kayi2 injection
fighting drugs bona instead they just promoting it.
No, it's not promoting, but it's saving lives, it's protecting lives. Lives is we protect lives by giving knowledge to the people who are already there kuleyo nto leyo.
But now is to protect life by doing wrong.
No, it's not doing wrong. When I'm saying we are protecting life ngokwenza into efana nalezo, yabona manje babhemela le stratini, uyothatha ukugula le stratini uzoza nako la endlini ulala la endlini. Yabo, so if we don't do those programs ukuthi minimize ukugula lokho, since those programs are run la kulama province
not to speak kanjani, but
yes,
these people are drug users, they don't contribute anything to the community. If they kill themselves, let it be. Why are you trying to let them know? Because once you teach one, definitely kusasa gobe kwaza by 10 with Jof.
As much as they can be drug addicts, they are our brothers.
No,
they
I know
our
that.
sisters. Yeah,
I know.
So, and then, as I said, the stigma has put them kulelo khona lelo.
It's like uthathe criminally and uyigaye isibhamu esingeke emthethweni. Ngoba
no, it's not the same thing.
Uzohamba ayobulala omunye umuntu ngokuthi ufuna isibhamu. So let's just give them guns.
It's not the same thing. I mean, I just want to highlight you ukuthi in provinces where they run these programs, their rates of recovery are more higher than provinces where they don't have these programs. Because amachita, they come there with the purpose of ukuthi injection, but the injection is not the only thing that they get. They also get resources. So if you want to be rehabilitated, come. We can help you.
Yeah.
So ngokwenza lokho, the rate HIV number 1 iphansi kakhulu in those provinces, and then the rate suicide or the overdose because of umjovo is lower kulawo provinces lawo, and then the rate recovery it's more high kulawo provinces lawo because manje they are able to monitor ababhemi babo. You understand that we run these programs so that we can be able to monitor abantu ababhemayo phakathi kwelokishi lethu, sazi ukuthi sina abantu abayingaka ababhemayo bemafamily nabo baphila kanjani, what is the main cause, because in everything ekhona there is a cause behind.
Course, yeah.
Yes, so we cannot just judge and say they are drug addicts, let them smoke and kill themselves, because you'll find out ukuthi mawuhlala naye phansi as explainer uthola ukuthi le cause
it's like okay,
yes.
No, it's fine.
Yes, uthola ukuthi le cause le azoyiveza lapho it's something le wena ezokusiza endlini yakho when now you already in that direction. We cannot just conclude and decide let's conclude ukuthi they are drug addicts, we should just leave them kanjalo nje. Yes, because bengisakutshela ukuthi uthola ukuthi makashare lapha ukuthi yena ungene ema drugs because of 1 2 3 asherela wena ubaba, you'll find yourself ukuthi mina ezobaba I'm conducting myself njengalendlela lelo mfana echazayo ukuthi yena azangene ema drugs wabakhe bekayenza kanje nakanje. So ukuthi ngokuthi uhlale naye phansi akhuluma kusherele the cause so ukuthi seka save your child ngokuyenza kanjalo, because when now uzokhona ukuzibona manje lapho khona ukuzibona ukuthi uzilungise, because mina manje I speak to parents babo lamagents laba engiba nabo la. Yes, most parents bakutshela ukuthi ngiyazisola kabi mfana mina uhleli phansi nami ucoca nami, so nami ngiyazibona indima engidlalile ukuthi umntana amazabe la khona today nami I see what I did wrong.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we cannot just blame nje ngoba bona sebalapha. It's very sad because vele siyablameka thina sinkawuzayo, mara amadula sikuthenga bona labantu emphakathini. Mina benginkawuza amadula sinantshontshile kuphi bekuthenga bona labo mama laba bakhulumayo abagcoka amajoint la emphakathini, and then yibo vele baze bakuthumele umuntu akutshele nokuthi hey lamalanga ngathi awusena plaka usangithengisela inex msanami amalanga la ngathi awusena plaka yazi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ngakutshela ukuthi umzukulwana wami ugcoka size 5 amanyathelo aphi kana amanyathelo lawo la estradini and then mayijumpile lapho uyoza nepetrol cala athi simshiseni yes so it's very sad because mawungapha ka addiction bro it's very blind vele shuthi ngathi yonke into ikuphushela ukuthi wena uya victim ubona namehla bakubheka ngawo la emphakathini na uhamba ubhemi nyawo upe the way people look at you bro amne bakubheka ngalamehlo la ukuthi wayangaganga isimbambe simshaye simbulale manje vele mawudlula abantu bahleli la ngaphandle so mina into engifundisayo ukuthi abo private abo sisibethu abo malume ethu wesiphathi ama-time amanye manje mina incosi yami na 20 years manje so nami ngiyitime nginkawuzile manje lapha nginama-timer esizana nabo abantu abashiya izindlu zabo straight umuntu ushiya indlu nomfazi nabantwana ngaphakathi yes ulapha kulento le so yibo vele ngathi ngiyahlukumezeka masuthi sithi ngathi bayenza ngamabomu yes we cannot say bayenza ngamabomu yes I could not have decided ukuthi ngiyoshiya imedlami elishambula kanje ngiyoshiya incosi yami ngiyoshiya ispansa sami esiluxury kanje ngiyahamba ngolala phezulu kwebox lapha estradini vele kube ilife yami leyo yes before start ngifuna ukusho ukuthi substance abuse disorder it's a mental condition yes it's part of addiction ngaphansi kwa addiction sine behavioral addiction njengoba bengisho sine substance use disorder ilethi nesafara kiyo sine sibhema ama substance yes it's called the substance use disorder and then it's also classified as a chronic disease
just you control
yes you can only maintain it the painful part ukuthi there is no ARV njengaku HIV which there's a tablet that you take every day that is why we do these programs when we do these programs ilasthola khona our ARV lapha
because so besichaza indaba yokuthi yabona besichaza indaba yokuthi edanyana wena uqale lapho then
yes
ama injection so ngifuna sichubeke lapho ukuthi uthe amajita
ngajova yabona mfethu bangimixela vele bangidubula yabo okay mawucala ukudubula yabona musumjova une size musuna milliliters ubhaliwe mawucala ukudubula bangimixela 30 ml vele grand bangidubula yabo grand bakutshela ntwana nosaqala ukudubula vele akumelanga ushaye vele bangimixela grand
before udubula awusitshele the ingredient or ukuthi i-recipe yakhona yenziwa kanjani
maso i-hardcore vele so umuntu one experience udubula ubhema ngokudubula awusayithela amanzi ayibilisa la kuthatha ikapkap noma ispoon thatha inyawo vele inyawo bangishaye bona ipowder yeso ayithatha uyithele lapha espoonini vele bese uyayishisa ngegun light kanje la ngaphansi then the moishisa iba manzi ke and then so thatha isponji segwayi uyasithatha usigamule kancane kanje bese then usifaka lapha phakathi ukuthi simunya ngisho ke yes and then wena ngale injection umunya lapha phezulu kwesponji if you yes angisho wenzela ukuthi le sponji sisefa le doti yes nangaphandle kokabsorba lamanzi mangabe kune doti amaboyanyana lapha izinto ezizostaka mazingathi zingena la inidlilini mangathi udonsa straight kanje yes le sponji lesa siyasefa manje sona ke yes and then uyabopha ke manje mawusaqala vela ubuphi imsipha mningi yabo but the more times goes on vele uyasha lo msipha lo kuze lo ushe vele izigcina ifike konke izigcina ifike na la igwayini maybe
shay 45
notaba chethithuli notiphalantse ngesihlahla kanje nitra ishikisha kabuhlungu kabi nedi ukuthi ivuke kubonakala imsipha ikhona ukubhema without ukuthi yenze kanjalo angeke ibheme idown lomshaya imini yonke lokho waphetha ama drugs wakhe lokho nemali yakhe
lokho bese ibhema ngephepha isazwakala
hayi yes nami into enzakala bathi abaqeda ukungidubula ngabona kahle ukuthi musi yonke leminyaka ebengibhema ngensango musi bengoyista imali yami bengingabhema ama drugs manje khani ngibhema ama drugs manje ngacala ukuyifila kabusha lento vele ngacala ukuyizwa kabusha straight vele ukuthi musi manje khani sizongishaya kahle and then mawusabhema ngensango bakhuluma amasimba vele laba ababhema ngemjovo vele yes then ngacala ngazifihla ke vele ukuthi sengiyajova and then izifike lapha kulela point engikutshele ngalo ukuthi hayi life yami bangazongitshela yimi ngijovayo la in ngiyekela ukubhema kanje vele ngisuke ekujoveni vele.
So ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi what's your take as umjida wasekasi ubona ikasi likhawatheka kanje njengoba amajida ayabhema and akusukuthi igcina ngabo khona nabanye abankawuzayo. So how do we prevent this thing as abazali ke because sisibazali ke no how do we prevent ukuthi ingangene encosini zethu?
I think the best way is awareness mfethu. Through my experience I've seen ukuthi the best way is awareness, and really awareness is the best way because and then awareness ayibe clean ibe clear awareness yakhona vele isho ukuthi nangabe awareness yakhona ikhuluma ngentango iveza ama dangers wentango wonke ukuthi insango it will affect your memory, insango it will affect your motivation. Maybe ngikwenzela ama example kancane nje yabona umuntu onkawuza insango khona ukuvuka ekseni atshela ukuthi ufuna ukwasha amateki awafake lapha emanzini athele nensipho atshela ukuthi hayi before ngiwasha athi ngishaya izolo eli1. Yes, after qeda ukushaya izolo that motivation ukuthi bengifuna ukwasha amateki is gone. Yes, so sesumthethise la endlini ukuthi ngifakela amateki lapha nanani khana azowawasha lokho ama effects wensango lawo. Yes, so when you make awareness you must make it clear so that umuntu nomuntu makasebenzisa into ayazi the dangers wayo, and then umuntu makanala clearance umuntu is able to take a better decision than ukuthi umuntu sithi siyamfoster ngenduku siyamenza siyamenzisa ngenkani ukuthi in because ayisebenzi yonke lento leyo ngoba ngathi imosho yithi vele thina bobaba maybe more special sivala ngubaba namanje ubaba ukhona ukubeka umthetho ukuthi la ekhaya singena ngo8 endlini igate siyakhiya nani malokufuna ushaya ibheli ngo11 yena lapha egateini ukuthi sivuke sizomvulela la mara ukakho but you cannot ubeka umthetho and then don't follow and then expect ukuthi abantu abazemva kwakho they will follow suit.
To be a parent it's unlike ukuba a supervisor which you need to lead by example because at the end of the day when you've been there you know the dangers of ukuhamba ebusuku and wena ezumzalo namadalo ukuthi hayi mhlambe ubuye ngo11 so umntwana might not know ukuthi ukubuya ngo11 kwenzeka ini because I used to hear abantu basho kanjalo ukuthi abazali they tend to batshela abantwana ukuthi ungena endlini ngo9 or ngo6 but yena ubaba ubuya ngo8 phela wena ezumzali is to guide. So angeke ngithi ngizoguide umntwana bese uzophikisana nami ukuthi why mina kumele ngibuye ngo11 and other than ukuthi mhlambe ngithi angaphuzi bese mina ngibuya ngiphethe amabhiya, that's another story.
It's the same thing in yabo as parents we guide by our actions. Our kids they don't listen to what we say. They look what we do.
Yeah, but they nakhona kuya ngokuthi ubuya unjani or unless ube specific ukuthi mawubuya ebusuku ubuya ebusuku udakiwe or ubuya ebusuku uzibuyele endaweni zakho.
Yes, but my point is ekutheni yithi ama leader and then mina as a leader I must set example ukuthi ngiyenze mina.
Angene endlini ngo6 ekumele nawe ungene ngo6.
No, njengoba usho ukuthi as a parent mina nginama reasons wami vele but it should show ukuthi lo muntu lento ayikhulumayo ayisupporta le ukuthi singena ngo6 hayi ukuthi yena cho yena unama reasons no, and then akube yimi ngibajwayeza nokureporta futhi ukuthi mangabe ngizohlela ukubuya ngo6 ngiyashaya iphone call ngisho ngithi kuse ngidile lapho ningangilindi mina ngiyashaya isikhathi vandag. Yes, asibafundise lento lezi kahle zingakayenzakali let's stop pretending as if asazi ukuthi zizoyenzakala and trying to hide. Angazi ukuthi abazali sikhulisana kanjani but let's make awareness ibe clear because it's knowledge kuphela ezosenza ukuthi kusasa sibe abantu abangcono. Well, it's only the knowledge that we need to know ngalezi zinto lezo. Mina I'm able to survive namhlanje because ngathi mangistop ama drugs I decided to go to the books. Tema stop ama drugs I decided to go ezincwadini and learn ngalento le ukuthi masikhuluma ngeaddictions sikhuluma ngani, masikhuluma ngenyawo sikhuluma ngani, yenziwe ngani, kanjani and then engqondweni yomuntu mangiceda ukushaya amathuphulo what happens nani I decided to gain knowledge That is why I'm able to stand. So namhlanje the program is able to stand because I'm sharing the knowledge, and then amachita they're taking the knowledge, they are using the knowledge. So sharing the knowledge is what makes a human being akwazi ukuthatha better decision. Mawune knowledge, you are able to decide better.
Of course.
So let's make awareness. Let's do campaigns. Let's make t-shirts abhaliwe lento lezi sifuna ukuthi zaziwe emphakathini. Let's do awareness nje. Njengoba mina ngiphusha umlayezo ukuthi ama-drugs they are not good. I must make sure ukuthi la ngihamba khona nginama message vela abantwana they know me. Kids mangihamba la endleleni bakutshela ukuthi nangu malume happy phansi ngehappy phansi malume. Yes, we must always push that message. Ingene izihlale. Mina my dream nje before ngishona maybe to see South Africa iba ne-generation drug free noma ingaba yi-one that generation nje ekwazi a generation that will be able to entertain themselves without the use ama-substance, because it's in our blood, it's in our culture vele ukuthi nabathi kunomnyanya ekhaya uthola utshwala phuma phezulu kanje. Leso sikhathi abazali abathengele botshwala lawo baze bakutshela ukuthi butshwala babentwana. Yes, but the very same kid maseka i-alcoholic abuya le ndleleni kuyisono nanani umzali futhi oma lapha endleleni ambize ngesidako ambize ngawo wonke lamagama lawo mara umntwana utshwala babuthenge ekhaya cala waphuza ekhaya cala umntwana loyo bathi utshwala babentwana siyamkhulisa umntwana nanani. So let us be aware ukuthi what we are doing can lead to zonke lezi zinto lezi. Namhlanje I regret because ama-decisions engawathatha 10 years ago namhlanje they are affecting me today. And then I also talk to people namhlanje ebangitshela ukuthi mina ngeke ungibone lapho. Yes, so namhlanje they are there namhlanje. So it's because they were not aware. Yes. Mangithi asibe aware, iba aware us understand wena ungumuntu number 1.
Ufunani?
Us understand to the degree ukuthi yabona le signal le ukuthi ulambile, you don't miss it. Yes, signal ukuthi ulambile ayishala, you don't miss it. There are many signals umzimba wethu sipha ona each and every day that we don't understand or that we miss because we don't understand. So when you understand yourself as a human being, there is no signal that you don't understand la emzimbeni wakho when it happens. So let us be aware of ourselves before we can even make ama-awareness lengaphandle. Let me be aware of myself. Ngibe clean aware of myself, and then ngenze awareness nalengaphandle of what I'm aware of me. Yes, manje mina my job is to make you aware ukuthi ama-drugs they are very dangerous. They almost destroyed my life. I lost my sister wamazange imgcwabe ngisestradini. My sister wamunye washata. Mina yimi kuphela umjide ekhaya bekumele ngabe yimi ngamthatha ngamkhapha lapha. I was not there. I missed a lot in my life because of ama-substance. Maybe umphakathi what you are seeing is what you see phela, but what lies behind lo muntu omgcola lapho umbhekile umbonayo makatopa lapha, there is a lot yabo. So mangithi let's make one another aware. Let us make one another aware to that extent ukuthi there is no life that is depressing njenge life addict, because each and every day uyavuka uhasila imali and then ntambama every day ulalungana next. I don't care noma ungavuka uphathe 5,000 manje ngo7 ekseni 7 ntambama makashaya, you'll have nothing. If I can tell you imali mina engidlile ema-drugsini go yonke le 18 years edlulela esandleni sama, I'm sure it's more than 10 million. Ngikutshela ngemali ebeyisemabhenki, ngikutshela ngemali ebenginika umuntu ngithi angikaya ama-drugs brawami, is a lot of money. Yes, because ngokutshela ngalaba namhlanje ba like us makathi labe engisipana nabo lenzansi makathi ubhampile namhlanje lo wa like us akadlanga next 2 clip uyidlile every day uyakhala ngalo la ngobhampile ukutshela ukuthi bengasebenzeki intanga namhlanje. Yes, so you can imagine ukuthi lo muntu lento maseka na 20 years ayenza lento ayenza lapho, it's how much,
lot of money.
It's how much.
So yeah, nguningi ngoba isikhathi, and today isibe nesivakashi sister konjubani Thembi uSentia Masina ushayele around uhamba nobhuti naye, they are also doing a program together. So yeah guys, I think this is it. Not unless umchita if there's anything afuna ukuyisho, sisters, if there's something that you want to ask. So angazi mchita, your last words that you can share with Re-Aligners. What
yes, mina Re-Aligners ngifuna ukusho ukuthi njengoba siya ku festive season kanje, yes, be responsible. Ungahambi ezindaweni ezi-isolated, ungabi wandla uhamba khona ibala abantu bakubona khona so that mawuzovelela inkinga uzokhona ukusizakala. And vele nje i-bottom line ukuthi ama-substance vele sithi phansi ngawo. Asikhulumanga kakhulu bro uchazile ukuthi isikhathi asikho. Kunabo-hubly abama-gateway drugs. Izinto esazoza ngazo leka part 2. Yes, mina nguJohannes Mthweni. Ngemvumo yakabro ngicela ukuzishare nje ukuthi mina ngiyatholakala ku Facebook nguJohannes Mthweni, ngiyatholakala ku TikTok nguJohannes Mthweni. Yes, manje uzongithola la ku-realign ngaphansi kwaka Wolf 925 ke manje mawufuna ukungibona sazozincengela kancane ngathi ngizofuna ispan. Yes, ngincengele lapho ngathi ngizofuna ispan. Yamfethu ngibonge kakhulu for your time. Ngibonge kakhulu Brian what you are doing for amajita waseKasi. It started to inspire me ngingekho ngibona ngile kwaNdebele vele nangithaya.
I remember ngithinta sure.
Yes nangithaya musona ngiyamadlona musibempema nayo lo ngithi ngiyalandela labantu bempema nabo mus. So that is when I started to ukuthi siringe. Ngibonge kakhulu bra wami for you ukuthi ungenze isikhathi kangaka. I enjoyed myself nje phezulu kwento zonke.
Yeah, okay guys, yeah, uJohannes usibekile story mfethu. I would like to thank you more especially if ever you were able to reach this stage of an episode, because I believe with the episode lo bekungamelanga uyimise. Whoever who missed this episode uzosola because uzobona abanye sebayipusha this thing, because yeah umjita I really want to help amajita because I've tried to ukuthi ngimbambe ngama-question yana just to check ukuthi ungakanani nawe uyasho ukuthi hayi ngi-on indaba yakho uyayistema mfethu. So yeah, please guys asupporteni umjita iPhola Mdoko. Konje iPhola Mdoko?
Phola Mdoko uyashisa nutritional program.
Phola Mdoko uyashisa nutritional program iyapusha guys. Ngiyabonga ukuthi nami khona umjita eKasi otry ukuyenza lento le engenzayo, because I thought I'm the only one who check amajita asebenzisa ama-drugs ufuna ukuwanceda. Nangu uJohannes ufikile nabo-sisters yababona. It shows ukuthi ba-attached ngabobhuti babo, ba-attached ngabo-sister babo. So yeah guys, don't forget to catch us every Tuesday on YouTube, Wolf 925. Signing out, you know, we're doing it like we're doing it for TV, the podcast that other podcasters watch.
You're pushing your palm, you're pushing your palm, you're pulling your vibe.